everybody, welcome back to Kat's Kitchen. So today we have another King's breakfast recipe for you. It's going to be blueberry waffles with sausage and some fruit. So right now I'm just finishing up my sausage patties. You can use whatever kind of sausage or meat that you like. I'm just brown these up in my skillet. It's from a local farm. Alrighty, and these will just drain. And then over here for the waffle mix, we have 2 cups of flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt so far in our bowl. Just going to get a whisk. You want to whisk these dry ingredients together first before you add any liquid. That way you don't get any lumps and everything's incorporated. You're going to put in 6 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 eggs, couple teaspoons of vanilla, to break those yolks up, and then we are doing 1.5 cups of your favorite milk. We're using almond milk today. We're going to get this incorporated. Okay, and then next we're going to put in our frozen blueberries. And this is also from another local farm that we picked these blueberries. And then you're just going to kind of gently mix those in. And then back here I have our waffle iron heating up with some Pam spray. Our light just shut off on it, so that means it's heated up. My little bowl has a little spout here, so that makes it nice for pouring. So it's all ready to go. And I got my spatula ready. I'm just going to pour in the middle. Let that reservoir fill up. You don't want to overfill it, obviously, because you don't want it running down the sides. I'm going to stop right about there. Sometimes you might need to help it. Move it, spread it around a little bit. Let it start cooking a little bit like that before you put, I think we overfilled it just a little bit, but that's okay. Let it cook a little bit on the bottom, and then now we'll close our lid. And you don't have to press or anything. It'll obviously just seat itself. We're going to let this cook we're going to check in about 4 minutes. So between 4 to 5 minutes, it should be completely done. So we'll see you back here whenever everything is all done. Alright guys, so we decided to have some eggs on the side, so I just cracked a few eggs in here for us. And then put our little patties in there to heat up. And here is one of our waffles that just came out, and our sliced strawberries. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all plated up. Alrighty guys, here's the final product. We have our blueberry waffles, fresh cut strawberries, sausage and eggs, orange juice and coffee. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.